Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to change over the steering rack and the drive shafts. Stay tuned. Alright guys, picked up a couple of pry bars today, so hopefully we can get these drive shafts out. But we still need to try to get that drive shaft nut off on the right hand side. So hopefully we get it off. I finally got it. I have a mid pipe on here. It's a cheetah bar. Oh, and I was hanging off that. Finally got it. Whew. So one breaker bar down. Finally got it. Now we can move forward. You can also see there the WD-40 went through the threads too, so she was on tight. Wow. Alright, be back later tonight to continue. Alright, just going to make up this adapter for a mate. So I've got to cut this mid pipe. We need this flange. We need it to be 100mm from outside flange to the other outside of the flange. So we're going to cut this one off and get it onto the belt sander, clean it up, cut that one and weld it onto that. So it should be quite easy with the right tools. Alright guys, so I managed to get the adapter done. I'm not sure if I actually showed you guys what it actually looked like, but I'll put up a photo. So we ended up chopping up a mid pipe, and now that's useless. It was actually useless before because it was too short for my vehicles, and I cut the flange off my quad tip exhaust I did many years ago. So did that for Christian, one of the guys that used to work at our work. So hopefully that helps him out. But it is Wednesday night now. I am here with the boys. Mrs. has a work meeting, so hopefully I can get out here again when she gets home. Not much has really happened just yet, but I'm still waiting on drive shafts. They've gone back to Melbourne. I don't know if I've told you that. So they tried to deliver them on Sunday. Business wasn't open on Sunday, so went back to the Melbourne depot. Got in contact with them today. They said it would be 24 to 72 hours for it to come back out, which is tomorrow is 72 hours. So fingers crossed I get them, but if I can get out here when the missus gets home. So if you see obviously more, we got out here and we got some things done. I'm not sure just yet. Hopefully we'll be getting the drive shafts out and we'll be getting the steering rack in. So I'm going to start editing everything before this, and yeah, hopefully I can get out here later. Got the heater on to make it bearable out here. Hopefully we get back out here. Really struggling working on this, and I really want to drive it. I actually really want to detail it. As you know, I do detailing at work for Toyota, new cars, used cars, and both of us that work there in the detailing department reckon this will come up beautiful if I give it a nice wet sand. Which I've got some interfaces, so we can use sandpaper and whatnot on the machines. So hopefully we can do that. But let's get back to it. Let's get these drive shafts out, and we need to get the lower ball joints out. That's the issue at the moment, lower ball joints. Alrighty guys, made it back out here, which is great. So the goal tonight is to actually just get the drive shafts out and lower ball joints. That would be great, and possibly get the ball joints back in. Nice new ones that I've got. Alright, let's move some of this stuff and get into it. Alright, that's cleaned up. Let's move on to the car. Alright, first up I'm going to try to get the other part of the drive shaft out of the left hand side of the gearbox. So I've got those pry bars. Let's hope I can get them out. Whew. finally got that out. That was a pain. Right, let's get the other one out. Alright guys, so I just popped the right drive shaft out of the gearbox. I'm really struggling with these lower ball joints, and I've even been trying to get this lower control arm out, but I can't undo these 19s on the rear. Undone the 17 bolt there. So what we're going to do is undo these two 19s, and I'll get the drive shaft out, and then at least we can see what's going on with the power steering rack. Alright, got both drive shafts out. This CV ended up popping out, which is really annoying, but it's okay, we've got two more coming. These lower ball joints are doing my head in. But yeah, we can get under there now and have a look at the power steering rack, and we can actually see how much of the CV grease went everywhere. So let's go have a quick look under there now. Alright, so got a lot of cleaning up to do. All the way up onto the engine too, and you can even see some thing up on the firewall when you're looking from the top. So all through here, and alright, so we need to undo this bolt, but I believe we need to secure this so it doesn't spin or go out of alignment. So it's been a while since I've seen a heat shield around it. How are we going to stop this from turning? Maybe cable tie it to that brake line, and I'm pretty sure we should be able to drop this down enough from underneath to undo the fittings under the car instead of on top of the cross member, hopefully, because these are flexible. Fingers crossed I can do that. Alright guys, so I've got one line off and I'm letting it drain. Yeah, I don't know how long that's going to take. So ow, got the other one here ready to go, but unfortunately I don't think I'll get it out tonight, just because it's got to drain. Still got to get another line off, let that one drain out, and I still got to edit this video. So yeah, unfortunately no power steering, but we did get the drive shafts out. Still waiting for the drive shafts to show up, so hopefully by next episode they are here. But comment down below guys, how am I going to get these lower ball joints out? They just don't want to move out of the control arm. It's like no movement whatsoever. I've tried jacking them up to pop them out. Nah. I've tried getting it off, but I can't get that remount off. The control arm, I mean. Yeah. Help me out, guys. I'm actually struggling. It shouldn't be hard, but I'm being very stubborn. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and tune in for next time when we hopefully make some more progress on the black pods. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye. Little bonus scene for you. Power steering is now out. Just letting it drain, and we'll come back to it tomorrow for our next episode. I haven't turned the wheels or anything like that, so I'm going to bring that out and measure it up to this, make sure everything is the same, and then we'll install that one. Bye everybody.